Beautiful, wonderful, amazing people. How are you this wonderful morning? My good name is Christabel of Doing Life with Chris, and here we are in this channel. We cook, we have fun, we grow, we experience life, and we navigate life together. And so, my people, today, first of all, it's 11-ish a.m. We've not had breakfast because people overslept, and everything went to that word that I don't want to say. And therefore, I want to make a very quick recipe, which is a hot dog recipe. And you are gonna love my hot dogs because they are A-list. And I'm not even gloating. I am the GOAT when it comes to hot dogs. So stick with me so that you can learn my hot dog recipe, which I am so graciously sharing with you guys. So without much further ado, it's the apology series in it because, guys, I have been gone for so long. I feel so overwhelmingly bad. Niliwaachanisha kama mayai moto, and therefore I have to earn my forgiveness. This is me earning my forgiveness with this awesome hot dog recipe. So guys, let me introduce to you my ingredients. You all know that we buy hot dogs not because of the hot dog, but because of the onions in the hot dog. So you gotta amplify and elevate your onions so that you can have that juicy, awesome hot dog that has the most amazing onions. And this is how I make my onions. I make them using sugar. You will see how I will use sugar, but it's very, very, very extremely important in balancing out the salt and the vinegar and the tomato sauce, ketchup, and all those things. And the chili. So here I have sugar. Here I have a whole cup of water. I know you're wondering, onions, maji, zinatoana wapi? You ain't seen nothing yet. So here I have my spices, and I'm only using 2. I have 5 grams of cinnamon powder, and then I have just a pinch of chili flakes because Fabian does not take chili, but we need that extra kick for that extra flavor. So, and then I have about half a teaspoon of pink salt. Now, do not worry if you do not have pink salt. Don't worry, you can use your table salt. No harm. Then here, I am not particularly advertising this brand. I just do want to keep dirtifying everything. So here I have apple cider vinegar. You can use your regular white vinegar. Here I have oil for frying, of course, for frying my onions and my hot dogs. And then here I have tomato ketchup that I am going to use 2 tablespoons of. All right. And then here I have my hot dogs. I am going to make 5 hot dogs because we are 5 in this house. And guys, these are not your regular hot dogs like zile zenye zinauzangwa zikiitwa hot dog. These are boas. Boas are ideally the things that are supposed to make hot dogs, but I have never found them in Embu. Hata hizi sijanunua Embu. Imagine these ones. Let me tell you a story. Embu is such a funny town. So we get hot dogs in the supermarkets, but they never sell to us these things. I think so that they don't get competition. So when I was traveling to Nairobi, one day I made a stopover at Mwea, and lo and behold, my boas were there looking at me. Oh, and I told them, I am not leaving you, babe. You're coming home with me. So I came home with them. And now I know where to get them when I need them. It's just 32 kilometers away. Then, of course, I have my whole bowl of onions. These are 5 small-sized onions. If you're going large onions, you can use 3. You'll get this quantity. And, of course, that is because I am using 5 buns because I said I'm making 5 hot dogs. Just, treat yourself for these ones and have your hot dogs the way they're supposed to be, with a lot of onions. We are going to have these hot dogs with some pineapple juice, and I'm going to request my daughter to make the pineapple juice for us. We already have connected the juicer, which apparently she's the only one who can fix up. Like literally, I wake her up to fix up my juicer so that I can juice. I don't know how to fix that thing, but I'll have to learn. These are going to give us some extra juice. I think we're gonna have 2 glasses per person from this. So guys, let's move over to the stove. Before the oil heats up, I am going to place my boas. Then I'm going to reduce that heat to medium high. Here, I'm going to put some oil. It has already heated up. You can see. I like heating up my oil first before putting my onions. because in my head I feel like the onions get ready faster if my oil is hot. I'm going to cook this until it's translucent, and then I'm going to be adding everything else. Cover it up for about 1 minute and our hot dog onions will be ready. In the meantime, need to check on these bad boys. So the only thing I can do is keep turning these onions. Onions, they are called onions. And guys, if you have the white or yellow onions, please go ahead and use them. We are proceeding on well. Dufu lazima, but we are going to cook it down until it is nice and dry. Not too dry, but not soggy. So I'm gonna cover this and cook for about 2 minutes at most. And all our water has dried out, see? And it has left our onions looking delicious. My hot dogs are here, my hot dog buns are here, and the boas are over here. And I let everybody make their own hot dog, of course putting whatever it is in terms of sauce that you want to put. You can put in your hot dog, make it as messy as you like. Myself, I just like it with a little bit of chili sauce, and that's about it. My hot dog experience is just simple, but my onions do not even require those extra sauces. Oh my goodness, how amazing is this company? It brings the buns already cut for your hot dog and your onions. So I'm just gonna, so if your hot dogs are not cut, the best knife to cut into the bun is a serrated knife. But because mine has already been pre-cut for me, it makes my work so much easier, because I'm just going to spoon my onions in there. Oh my gosh, I'm going to put as much as I can. Some more, please. Yes, definitely some more. Okay, there are 5 of us, so pia hiyo naangalia. So, and then I'll take my boas, place it on top. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of chili sauce, just a little bit. Ooh, my
can feel
mouth
it. You
is
can already taste
salivating
it.
just at the thought. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I never get enough of the hot dogs.